Hello, I'm Natasha Ho. Welcome to The Dish. A question that I get all the time is, how do I add variety to the stuff that I make at home? I feel like I'm eating the same thing over and over again. And one of the things that I emphasize is that it all starts with the way that we shop and the ingredients that we buy, because when you continue buying the same things, you'll often tend to make similar foods over and over again. So one of the easy things that you can do to add variety is to introduce one or two new ingredients. You don't have to overhaul your entire kitchen, just bring in one or two new ingredients that will help expand the variety of things that you cook with. So one of the things that I encourage people to do this with is with herbs, because it's a very simple and easy way that you can introduce a new flavor onto a dish that you already know and love. And so one of the herbs that I encourage you to try out is lemongrass. It is very, very common in Southeast Asian food. So if you enjoy Thai food or Vietnamese food, this is an ingredient that you'll often taste as well as smell, because it has a wonderful perfumey lemony scent that it adds to the food. And it also has a delicious flavor. So if you're looking for lemongrass, you'll often find this in the herb section of grocery stores. And if it's not at your regular grocery store, you can also look out for this at an Asian grocery store. And they'll tend to come in very long stalks. Working with this, very, very simple things you need to know. You want to cut off the bulb at the very end of the lemongrass. And then you only want to use like the bottom third of the lemongrass. That's where the majority of the tender leaves are and the flavor that you're trying to integrate into your food. So make sure that you save that upper stalk, the part that's more green colored, and you can use that for making teas, or you could put it into a stock and it will provide that nice lemony scent and flavor to the other things that you boil it in, like a stock or a broth. So check out lemongrass and add that to your grocery list for this week. I'll see you soon. Bye.